From the instant you arrive to the moment you drive away, our goal is to elevate beyond the expected. This is Lexus Precision Service. Living the values of omotenashi, the Japanese spirit of hospitality, we treat every customer like a guest in our own home. No one knows your vehicle better than our trusted Lexus Academy trained technicians. They provide the highest quality care for your vehicle, bar none. That same level of thoughtfulness towards our guests is extended through hospitality-centered amenities, welcoming you to guest lounges, private offices with Wi-Fi and complimentary refreshments provided on site. If you require a tranquil space to conduct business or a comfortable area to relax and peruse the Lexus boutique, we'll cater to your needs. Should your vehicle require a longer stay, alternate transportation is readily available. A complimentary wash is included with every visit to ensure your complete satisfaction. With regular maintenance conveniently planned around your schedule, we look forward to welcoming you back time and time again.